Hi, it's a little bit later today on July 26th. We're heading in the final stretch, nearing here the time for both the Fed and the end of the month. Let's get to the Longbow dashboard so we can get over to hear Q&A, see the new dot plot, and I guess see what the market reaction is to those elements. So what I've done here today is curate a number of securities. There's some single stocks obviously reported in the last 24 hours and are going to be reporting, as well as the Qs and the SPY. Neutral here on the SPY in the middle of the range. Qs have back down into the middle of the range. Obviously, Google given solid returns across the board for their earnings, which you can read about in our Longbow arrows today. Overbought right now, so this isn't the day that you start going into Google. And then Microsoft, they were a little soft on the top line. They were talking about very large capex, which we actually think is a very positive sign. But people brought that stock down a little bit, so it's heading towards the low end of the range. So now your odds are 6.2 to 1 in terms of asymmetry with the trading range. So looking pretty good right there. You want to be watching out for that bullish and bullish. We think along with Google, they're going to be one of the winners in the AI battle, just alongside transitioning to the cloud and overall use of data. Meta still going to report middle of the range. They've gotten some of the benefit from Google's reporting. So be careful there. We talked about 2 days ago in our Longbow arrows that the asymmetry really not for the upside here. Even if they beat earnings, you may not see that that push through on the stock. We're not making a call on the fundamentals of the quarter, just really looking at the asymmetry setup. Got neutral short-term, bullish medium-term, although they do have pretty high implied volatility premium, meaning people have been paying up for protection. So that is in some ways would help you on the upside if they did report expectations over consensus. But watch out here, guys. Make sure that you're paying attention to the technicals during earnings season on top of the primary points, which are fundamentals, as you navigate, whether it's just looking at your positions, trimming, adding to your positions, new or exiting positions. Very, very important to be using the Longbow dashboard for the technical aspect after you get a sense of the fundamentals. That's it for today, and we'll catch you back tomorrow.